Hey everyone, ever wanted to chat with your favorite character AI bot in a language other than English? Maybe you are learning Spanish or just want to practice your friends. Well, here's the good news. It's actually pretty easy to change the language you are using on Character AI. Let me show you how. So first of all, open your Character AI app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now select the character that you want to have a chat with. Tarot card reasoning. So here we are in a typical chat. Now everything here is in English. Now sadly there's not a magic change language button built in. So we're gonna use slightly sneaky but very simple method. And this is where the language magic happens. To switch up the language, simply start typing in the language that you would like to use. Let's say you want to roleplay in Spanish. Instead of typing hello, start by typing hola. Let's type hola over here. So here it didn't change the language. Let's type a little more. And see, I sent a message in Spanish. Character AI is pretty good at detecting the language you are using. And just like that, the chat has switched to the Spanish. Not all the characters will understand or respond perfect, but it's definitely a fun way to practice for and explore a new language. Similarly, you can use the same way to chat in another language, but sometimes if character is still responding in English, you can give the system a little nudge. Try telling the character in the new language to reply in that language if you are having any issues. This can usually help guide them. Awesome, right? And that's all. It's a very simple way to play around with the languages. Just remember to be clear about your language intention. So go ahead, experiment with different languages with your characters. Have fun. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.